A component test was integrated in the FSA menu for checking individual components. Preset screens enable recording and evaluation of signal curves. In comparison to the universal oscilloscope, the component tests reduce oscilloscope setup time to a minimum. For firing coil-on plug ignition coils, a universal high-tension measuring probe can be used. The probe is flexible to enable access to awkward-to-get-to coils. The red tip is simply placed on the coil to be tested. It's an inductive sensor that will represent the secondary firing voltage. In the Component Test menu of the FSA software, the ignition coil component can be found under Ignition. When the universal measuring probe is connected to the FSA measurement module, the following ignition systems can be tested: single spark ignition coil, dual spark ignition coil, ignition systems with HT cables. Press F4 to select the signal source. The universal measuring probe is now placed on the ignition cable and transmits the characteristic signals to the FSA monitor. A reference curve already saved in the database can be called up for comparison. This can now be used to countercheck the signals of other cylinders. At a later stage, a test record can be saved and printed out.